You guys ready to open it? Hi, Skye. Hi, Chase. What are you guys up to today with that awesome fridge? We just were waiting for you to come back with our groceries. Yeah, we weren't doing anything with the fridge, just waiting for the groceries. Okay, well, I brought back all of the groceries I bought. So let's go ahead and get the fridge open so we can start putting food away. Okay, but first you should get some ice and yeah. Okay. What about a glass of water? Yeah, do that too. Okay, I can do that. Nope. Still more coming out. There we go. Okay. Got my cup of water. Now I need some ice. What? Why are there gumballs where the ice machine goes? What? What? You guys filled the fridge with gumballs? What were you thinking? We're so funny. Oh my goodness. Wait, you still need to get some ice. Okay, let me get the ice. What? More gumballs? Oh, you goofy pups. Oh, I bet I know what's in the fridge. You guys ready to open it? Oh my goodness. Everything's filled with gumballs. Man, you guys. You got me so good. Even this whole bottom container? Oh, you guys, that was funny. We had fun doing it. I bet you did. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we can get all of our groceries and put them away. So first we have some juice. Let's put juice on the side on the door. We also have some fresh milk that we can put away in the same place. Let's keep going. I got us a plate of meat. Does that smell good, Chase? Stick that in there. I also got us some bottles of fresh milk. Let's put them down here. Look, I've got a nice fresh pumpkin we're gonna use to cook something. And a whole chicken. Does that smell good, Skye? I bet you want to eat that so bad. I also got us a whole row of eggs. Put right there. And oh no, the ice is gonna start melting. We put the ice in the very top. Okay, let's keep getting our stuff out. Here, I also have some soda. Let's put soda over here. Ooh, let's also put some in the freezer so it gets really cold. Look what else I have. It's some cake. Where can we put the cake? In the freezer? Should cake go in the freezer? I don't know. I guess it could be good in the freezer. I don't know. You should get some more ice now though, because it's normal. Okay, just push this down. And look, we have some normal ice. Now I can get a real cup of water. Now we put all of our groceries away. We can close up the fridge and get me some water. There comes out the water. You guys are so cute. That was funny gumballs. Should we fill it up again? Yes, let's fill it up with gumballs again. Okay, let me get my cup of water out of the way. And let's take out. Here's some soda. Drink up all your soda. Ooh, that got really cold, didn't it? Okay, and you also have to eat this cake. Here you go. I bet you guys love cake. Okay, now we gotta take out all the milk and the eggs. Ooh, you want some eggs? Oh, you guys can eat your full chicken too. And what about this pumpkin? Do you want to try eating this pumpkin? Nah. How about this? This looks like some brisket in there. You guys are being fed so good. Here's some juice. Ooh, and you guys love milk. Skye, you want some milk too? You can have all of these. Are you guys so full? I bet you are. Okay, now let's put gumballs everywhere. Let's fill this bin up first. Ooh, let's fill it up with orange ones. Orange. Yellow ones on top. There, we filled that one up. Okay, now let's fill up the next level with green ones. Stay. Okay, then let's do blue on this side. Okay, that's all the blue ones. Now let's do pink. Pink ones. Now let's put red in there. Some white ones. Let me put white. And then we have a lot of yellow ones. Stay. And we have some green ones. And some more yellow. Look at our fridge full of gumballs. All right, say bye to Skye and Chase. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh no, Poppy, what? Are you up to your shenanigans again? You bet I am. I've already put so many gumballs in your critter clinic. You're gonna have days of work. Have fun with all those gumballs. Bye. Poppy, wait. Oh, man. Well, looks like we're gonna have to open up all of these doors and figure out what to do when all the gumballs come out. Let's just get ready for this. All right, here's the keys. Let's just start with this first one up here. Oh no. What's gonna happen when I open it? Oh no. Ah! Oh my goodness, Poppy. What was she thinking? Putting all those gumballs in there. Oh, there's more. And here's Rubble. You okay, Rubble? I feel a little sick because I've just been with gumballs all day. I need help, Doc. Let's see. Let's get our little syringe out and our little temperature checker. They might have just had too much sugar in their system. Let's check it out. Oh no! Look how much yellow Rubble has. We're gonna have to give him a shot. Is that right, Doc? Yes, give him a shot. Okay, here. We just put that right in his mouth. Okay, I hope you get feeling better, Rubble. We'll check on you in a little bit. But next, we gotta get the right key to open up this door. What key is that? The red one? All right, let's open up the red door with our red key. Get ready. Oh my goodness. Everything fell out of there. Even Marshall fell out. How are you feeling, Marshall? My belly hurts. Okay, let's give you a shot to fix that up. We'll put it up in your belly. There we go. How's that? Hope you start feeling better too. All right, which one's our next key? This one? This one's orange. What door's orange? This one. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, here it comes. Oh my goodness. I can't believe all the gumballs that are in here. Oh, Zoom, are you alright? It looks like you fell pretty hard. Yeah, my head hurts a little though. Alright, let's get you a shot to the head. That'll make your head feel better. Just give it a little while. Oh, goodness. Whew. Okay, we got our first 3 Paw Patrol. Hoping they'll get better. Okay, we gotta open the bottom doors now. What color? How about this one? Which door does this open? This green one? Okay, let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Are you okay, Rocky? Yeah, my paw just hurts a little bit. It got stuck in a gumball. Oh no. Let's give you a shot to your paw. Here you go. Let's hope that gets it feeling better. Okay, we have 2 more Paw Patrol. So let's use this key. This key is blue. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here it comes. Oh, Chase, you did a barrel roll out of there. Are you alright? I'm alright. My nose just hurts. I face planted. Oh no. Let's give you a good shot to your nose, okay? Here you go. It's gonna hurt a little bit, but you'll feel better soon. Alright, we have one more door to open. This is our last key. This key is pink. Looks like it fits. Oh my goodness, look at all those gumballs. Skye, how are you feeling? I actually feel pretty great. The only thing is my eyeball. I can't really see out of it. I think it got some gumball in it. Okay, let's give your eye a little squirt in. There. Let's hope that rinsed it out. Let's take our keys and hang them up over here. All right, how are all of our Paw Patrol? How are you all feeling? A lot better? That's good. Let's get all of these gumballs out of your little rooms. How's that, Rubble? You feeling better? Yeah, I just want to take a nap. All right, let's lay you in there and close your door. All right, Marshall, let's get all of your gumballs out. There you go. You can take a nap too. We're gonna close them all so that they have some privacy. Get all these orange gumballs out. That's just so many gumballs. How did Poppy get a hold of so many? Oops, wrong way. There. Okay, we have 3 more Paw Patrol pups. There. They're all gonna have room to take their little naps. There. Now our Paw Patrol are gonna take their good little naps. Thanks, Doc McStuffins. I don't think we could have helped them without all your equipment and help. Of course, I love helping all my friends in Paw Patrol. They're the cutest pups out there. Can't believe how many gumballs we found. Oh my goodness. I better not go in there though. You see how all the pups were feeling. Okay, well, get feeling better, Paw Patrol. I'll come check on you later. Bye. Bye, Doc McStuffins. Bye, Paw Patrol. Get feeling better. Bye.
Bye-bye.